All right. So, Jess Gordon over at Windows Central just got the first exclusive from the new Microsoft Xbox CEO, Asha Sharma. Asha's championed some good causes in the past. She's made money in other businesses, but I gotta say, people are trying to give her a hard time because she's not a gamer. And I can't go around wasting my breath about the corpos, even saying the word corpo, like it's just the hardest gig in the world when you have a golden parachute. Therefore, on-the-job training is a real thing. It's not like she's trying to be Digital Foundry. I believe she can pick things up as she goes. Now, she's also got a background in AI.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Joining me now is Asha Sharma, CVP Head of Product from Microsoft AI. But she's my boss.
You know, when you listen to two people who work together, have an insider conversation, and you couple that with all the AI corporate jargon, it's like this perfect blend of hearing English words and me not understanding what the anybody was talking about. But side note though, Asha's coming in with the fashion drip, son. Check out that green on green. That means business right there. Speaking of, let's get back to business. Back to Jez Gordon's article on Windows Central, there is this quote right here. I am committed to returning to Xbox, and that starts with console. That starts with hardware. You will hear more about that soon. We'll have some announcement coming up. You will see us collectively investing here. Okay, so to me, we're not even talking about any next-gen console down the road. The consoles that are on the shelves, except for Costco today, if you're not talking price cut, I don't think this is serious talk. The 512 gigabyte Xbox Series S, that's gotta come down to at least $250 and have frequent sales at around $199. And I'll just discontinue the 2 terabyte Galaxy Xbox because it just looks like an Xbox that was left out in a room while the ceiling got painted and paint just dripped all over it. It's hideous. The digital and disc version of the Series S, if we're not undercutting Sony and doing it under 500, there's just no shot.